Yo, what up? My name is Derek, and today I'm going to show you guys just how to make a simple amount of income per month just by having your computer on or whatever device you're using to make a small little amount of cash. This is a program called Earnapp. You may have heard it, you may not have. It's kind of like what Honeygain does and what PacketStream does, except it doesn't collect any of your personal data. Also, it runs pretty much seamlessly on your computer. You don't even notice it's running, and you make a good amount of cash. With Packet Stream, you get paid about, I think, 10 cents a gigabyte. Same with Honeygain, but with this, you get paid about $1 per gigabyte. And depending on how much your IP is actually used and your data is used, you might actually make more than that per month. Okay. So, what we're going to do is we're just going to go to the actual website here and press on download for Windows or whatever you're going to be using. As you can see, you can have it on a ton of different devices, but we're going to download it for Windows. Download it, install it. Just press on the download button here, start the download, install it. Now, once it's downloaded and running, it will show up in the bottom right here, and it will look like this. Now, once you have it installed and opened, you're gonna actually want to connect your wallet because most likely your dashboard or your wallet won't be connected. So there should be a button somewhere right here called Connect Wallet. And what it will do is it will ask you to sign in. So it's going to sign in, just log in with your Google or sign up with your Google and then log in. So for me, I'm just going to log with my Google real quick. And you can see right here, my lifetime earnings is about $18. So far, this has been like, I think 10 days. I've made about $7 through this. I can redeem it right now. You can even set up an auto redeem. So whenever you get about $5 to $6, it will actually redeem your income. And it'll go straight to either PayPal or an Amazon gift card if you want that. You can see my transactions right here. They've actually increased the rates recently. I wasn't using it for a while because of problems with my device, apparently. But you can see it gives you per device and how much you make, so on and so forth. And that's pretty much it for when it comes to the program. It's pretty simple, and you can see how much data you do per day. They even actually show you on the website how much earnings you can actually make per month, depending on where you live, and also depending on how many gigabytes you're actually be pushing out each single day. So for me, I would say mine's about 2 to 3 gigabytes a day. And so if I were to do 2 to 3 gigabytes a day, I make about $30 a month or so on, and give or take. Um, but that's pretty much it. I hope this increases your income a little bit by just using this. You can run it on multiple devices. The more devices, the actual better it will get. The more IPs, the more areas, the better you will actually get in terms of money. And I hope this helped you. I hope this is something that will you will use. And yeah, peace out.